Hi, this is Dirk from V&B Auto Sales. Starting up our 75 Ford F250. There's the radio working. Horn doesn't work because it needs a new insert. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. There's their wipers. Has two tanks, I believe. The dome light works. So the horn's the only thing that doesn't work. There's the air unit. Headlights. A little bit of an exhaust leak maybe over on this side. Except for the horn, has the original vent here, both sides. So, really cool truck. Any questions? 605-695-7391.